Hello, my name is Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. Now, you've waited a long time to get your Tesla Model 3 and there are definitely some things you shouldn't do with it. So if you want to know what they are, please let me explain. Okay, number one, the first thing you shouldn't do is pimp up your Tesla with a pink steering wheel cover and some Christmas tree air fresheners. Let's do it. Oh yes. There we go. What about that? Woohoo! This is how it should be. Now, air fresheners. Definitely need some air fresheners. Let's go for it. Here we go. Where would we be without some nice smelling Christmas tree air fresheners? Oh yes. Oh yes, look at that. Now we are sorted. Okay, one thing you certainly shouldn't do with your brand new Model 3 is chew gum and then stick it under the seat. Let's go. Okay, here it comes. Okay, and of course you shouldn't treat your new Tesla Model 3 as a trash can. Oh look, a handy pizza box that I have here. That's nice. And of course I've got some leftover rubbish here from my nice pink steering wheel in the trash can. Oh, hold on, that's not garbage.